everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to delete Kik account. For that, you have to simply launch the application at first. Then on the top right, you will see your profile icon. Tap on it. Then your settings page will be open. From there, you have to choose personal info option. Now tap on delete account. Then you have to give them a reason why you want to leave Kik. So simply tap on choose a reason option and choose any one of the reason. You can also add additional information why you want to leave, but this is totally optional. At last, tap on delete button. Then a verification mail has been sent to your mail. Scroll down to the last, there you will see permanently deactivate option. Tap on it. Then you have to choose any browser. And that was it. Your account has been permanently deactivated. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.